Hello school leaders, this is Narsimha Naidu, founder and CEO of a company called STEMx India. We work with schools across India. More than 300 schools have already implemented robotics and AI through STEM learning and composite labs. STEMx India is supported by a company called KTC Holdings from Japan, right? We bring in Japanese-based robotics and AI to India. Today, parents are not looking for schools that produce only results. Today, parents are looking for schools that provide skill-based learning as robotics, AI, 3D printing, and drone technology with composite lab skills. How does STEM help the different stakeholders of school? School owners, parents, and children are the different stakeholders of school. For school owners, it helps boost the admissions while implementing robotics and AI program, which makes their institute future ready. Right? When we come to interesting part, the school children. For school children, they learn, when they were kids, they learn ABC. Here, students start from coding, then robotics, then AI, then they learn 3D printing, drone technology, right? We have age-appropriate curriculum from grade 1 to grade 12. The third stakeholder is parents. Parents feel so happy seeing their children learning about robotics and AI, 3D printing and drone technology, which bridges the gap between education institute and the industry. And our robotics and AI program is derived from Japanese technology, and it is converted into Indian standards of CBSE, ICSE, or IB and IGCSE curriculum. And dear school owners, one more interesting thing what we have is, there are two types of models. The first one is lab setup model, which is one-time investment, and we will be training the school teacher or deploy an engineer, and school takes care of the engineer end-to-end, right? And the second model is integrated program or the IP program, which we call it as. So where STEMx India takes care of the lab end-to-end. We set up the lab, we send our engineers, we give weekly reports and monthly reports, and then we take students for national, international robotics and AI competitions. And our programs are aligned to boards such as CBSE, ICSE, IB, IGCSE, and state syllabus, as well as government schools. STEMx provides end-to-end services from providing robotics and AI kits, providing curriculum in the form of textbooks for students or the workbooks, and curriculum in the form of LMS for teachers and students. At the end, I would like to say STEMx is not just another vendor. STEMx is a skill partner for school which wants to continue for long term. Thank you so much. Signing off, Narsimha Naidu, founder and CEO of STEMx India. Thank you.